wrong, Sergeant Pacheco? Hello?
Hello?
Sergeant Pacheco, U.S. Army. Can I help you?
World's finest name, Producer Cardone speaking. Let me help you, sir, man.
This is Pacheco. Hey, that just happened. We got a call, and I heard somebody say hello, and then I heard a weird beep, and then you picked up.
Yeah, exactly.
Somebody called me, though.
Yeah, that's exactly what's happening with us.
Man.
It's looping around somewhere somehow.
Fucking Al-Qaeda, dude. They got our shit tapped, man.
I don't know what it could be.
I'm locking this office up, man. Fuck it. Yeah, no, I don't know, dude. We'll call it a work order. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I'm not gonna start. I don't want to go in the back of the switchboard and start unplugging shit.
Yeah, it's best not to.
Yeah. I don't know, man. We'll just have to.
What office are you working at?
Huh?
What office?
We're right here in Dolby Mall.
Okay.
Where are you guys at?
South Park Metals.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, man. I don't know, dude.
No problem.
Later, bro.
Cool. All right. Thanks.